when I wake up. Comb my hair but no makeup. I am beautiful the way he made me. Ain't it wonderful the way he saved me? Throw on my flip-flops and my t-shirt, and I put on my glasses and my long skirt. Thank the Lord for a brand new day, and I ask him for help. So
in my last video of my pantry organization, I had said that I had some mason jars, and I just put them up here for right now. I know I'm not using those two shelves, and right now everything is pretty empty. Just has like linens and whatnot, tablecloths. These are old sleeping bags, and I think I'm going to put those in our garage because we're not really using them. They're pretty old. So this is what we're working with. This isn't too bad. And this is our upstairs linen closet. I'll show you our entryway closet. So this is our entryway closet. This needs a lot of work. I need to get all this organized, and I need to put these jackets in our closet since it's summer and we're not using them. So there's just a lot of clutter and stuff going on there. Today's video is in collaboration with my sweet friend Gigi, also known as Thoughtful Savvy Mom. I'm always so excited to see her videos as they're always so inspirational and motivational. So be sure to watch her video once you're done with mine. The link to her video will be in my description box. Be sure to subscribe to her channel as well and let her know I sent you. Emptying everything out, cleaning off the shelves, and then I'm gonna see what I'm gonna keep, or maybe just everybody's home today, so you can hear all the background noise. But I'm gonna see what I'm gonna donate, throw away, and what I'm gonna keep. So I'm gonna make 3 piles first, so you'll see me just taking everything out of the closet. So I hope this, as I mentioned, I hope this inspires you to declutter and organize some of your closets in your home.
Ain't it wonderful the way he saved me? Throw on my flip-flops and my t-shirt, and I put on my glasses and my long skirt. Thank the Lord for a brand new day, and I ask him for help. Show me the way. I don't always understand this crazy life, don't always understand this crazy mind. I know it's hard, 'cause the battle's on the inside. I am so susceptible to feeling so emotional, but I know the Holy Ghost is the goal. So I hope I can die just a little more so that you can be raised up in
Alright, so this air mattresses, I'm going to keep those, but like that sleeping bag, that cover, that's pretty old. Those are the pumps to blow up the air mattresses, and those we just keep them up here in case like the lights ever go out or whatever, for us to grab from there. And yeah, I only have these 2 towels in here. I'm pretty sure they're all in my kids' room.
Life is the water, it's making me new. Every day I die so that you can rise in me. In me, Lord, have your way in me. As I journey through this cold world, I don't like the things that I see, but there's a still small voice inside me, and it whispers, child, don't worry. There's a seed that's trapped inside there. It'll raise you up from this ground as my sun keeps shining on you. Your life, it's in my hands now. This world can't hold you, sin can't control you. Don't worry, child, you are free. Just keep on praying, the world forsaking. Little girl, you belong to me. It's so susceptible to feeling so impossible, but I know the Holy Ghost is the goal. So today I'ma die just a little more so that you can be raised up in this flesh, raised up in this mess of mine, this mess of mine. I know you are for me. No, nothing can keep me from getting to you.
Alright, so I just wanted to ask you all, I don't know if you feel the same way, but when I start decluttering an area, of course I always take everything out because I want to take a look at everything. A lot of times there's always like at least one bag of trash or things that need to get donated. But to be honest, I always tend to get a little bit overwhelmed initially by looking at everything, seeing all of this stuff. And I just want to know, do you all get like that? And I have to keep like putting myself back on track, like, hey, do this, then this, then this. Like, I have to constantly keep like pep talking myself. So I don't know if you all feel the same way, but let me know if you do, or do you already have like a list already, you know, just written out on how exactly you want to organize your space. Now for me particularly, this space, I knew it didn't have a lot of like linens in it, just because my kids for the most part have their own towels that they like to use. Their sets of sheets and pillowcases and stuff like that, like they're all older, so they all wash their own like linens and towels. So yeah, it's not that bad. Cluttered in here, so I'm going to start off by clearing everything out, and then I bought a few organizational bins from the Dollar Tree, nothing fancy. I got 2 of these white bins, and then just got some pencils, tape, and staples because I needed those. And then I found these 2 that I'm going to put in some shelves that I have, and then these to stack up like construction paper and regular paper, printer paper. So I got 3 of them.
Distraction from our interaction, oh Lord. I'm here in the secret place, on my knees, it's the middle of the night, not another soul inside. I am waiting on you, I'll be waiting on you all night, all day, and as long as it takes for you to come and erase all the guilt and the sadness. I'm caught in the madness, oh Lord, oh Lord. And I'm gonna lay it all right here. I need to know you're near. I need to hear a message from you, a message of love. Whispering life to me. Your word is the deepest.
Oh my goodness, like I cannot believe the amount of stuff that was in this closet. I mean, I can, but like just looking at this video, it's like these closets were, well, this particular one was like a Mary Poppins purse, to where it seemed like it had every single thing in it. And this closet was the one that I honestly was dreading, because I know there's just so many smaller stuff in there. And to be honest, I was telling my husband, I was like, we still have some like MDF board that I would love to just get one piece and put a shelf down on the bottom, so that way I could put some bigger bins for like my party supplies and a few other things, because what I have now, it is too small. The storage bins, so I think we will probably do that. Maybe I can do that with one of my sons. I don't think it's something really hard, but yeah, this closet really had me really overwhelmed, to be honest. Like, and I was just so tired. I just had like a lot going on, you know, especially with the 4th of July coming up, so prepping for that. And yeah, it was just so overwhelming, but it didn't take too long. I think it was just more like mentally in my head of everything that I needed to do. But one of the things, like as I was cleaning out my closet, I just always tend to do this when I'm cleaning like my closet. I'm always like
I guess I always just do like some soul searching, not like, but I tend to do that. If I'm cleaning something, I just always like to like check myself, like, hey Spring, like, what do you got going on? Like, what do you like need to clean out, like in your mind, in your feelings? Like, I just always do that whenever I find myself cleaning or gardening. I don't know, do you guys do that? Do you like give yourself pep talks when you're cleaning? Like, even just like thinking about yourself, like all the things that you need to clean out and declutter. Let me know if you guys do that. I don't know if I'm the only one, but either way, I like to clean physically, mentally, spiritually, above all, so let me know.
This message is for you, and Elijah is the one I have sent to you with my message, a message of love.
Alright, so as I was cleaning this, I know I've had this little organizer for so long, and honestly it's just always worked. But as I was cleaning it, I noticed my son, the one who just graduated, Joseph, he wrote his name on the side, and to be honest, I don't even know how old he was, but seriously, mamas, or soon-to-be mamas, like, hold on to your kids. I know when they're small, to be honest, I know the sleep deprivation is real, like it's so real, especially being a new mom. Like sometimes you feel like, am I gonna get this right? Am I even doing a good job? Like I know all of those questions. I know how it feels to like feel overwhelmed, but Joseph is our 5th child and he turned 18. He graduated, and yeah, we have 3 more kids left, you know, and it is so hard, especially when you've been a mama for 18 years. For me personally, it's been times 5, you know, and no, I'm not anxious to have them go off to college or to go out on their own. I mean, I know they have to, and you know, our older 2 daughters, you know, of course they're living their life on their own, and it is hard because you've been a part of their life, and it is just something that it's tough, it's like bittersweet kind of. So if you're a mama, soon to be mama, or not, you know, maybe you have siblings, just enjoy them, love on them, because they grow up, they do their own thing, they get their own wings and go their own way, and it is just, like I said, it's so bittersweet, but yeah, enjoy your kiddos. family. Thank you so much for your support and watching my video today. I hope that this brought you all the inspiration to clean, declutter, and organize any of your closets, whether they be big or small. Again, thank you so much. Your support means so much. I'd love it if you subscribe to my channel. You can also find me on Instagram at Spring Soulful Home. You all have a wonderful rest of the day, and be sure to turn on those bell notifications. We'll see you again on Friday. Bye-bye now.